At LTSCT, we bring advanced technology in today's connected vehicles. Reliable and fast in-cabin charging is more than a convenience. It is a necessity. Introducing USB-C power delivery controllers for charging up to 65 watts and 100 watts. These devices are built to deliver powerful, safe, and intelligent charging for the automotive world. With distributed adaptive power sharing, integrated protection FETs, and seamless firmware upgradeability, these devices provide high integration with high performance. Its built-in MUX allows smooth USB 2.0 data pass-through, making it as versatile as it is robust. Qualified to AEC Q100 standards, the controller operates reliably from -40 to +125 degrees Celsius. Its high-efficiency, low EMI DC-DC architecture keeps performance stable and safe. Whether as a standalone port, part of a multi-device network, or integrated into infotainment systems, the UPD11210F adapts to every in-cabin charging need. With integrated LED drivers for body lighting and charging indication, it enhances both functionality and user experience. Power the future of automotive charging with LTSCT's USB-C power delivery controllers.